Hello, I'm Dennis Quaid. The field of healthcare is constantly changing and improving. Every day, modern medicine holds the promise of a new treatment or healthcare technology. It takes the vision of determined, thoughtful leaders to unlock the next big breakthrough, as we're about to see.
Our nation's hospitals are overwhelmed by the current COVID-19 pandemic and are working diligently to contain the spread of this highly contagious virus within the hospital walls. Concern for viruses and other bacteria spreading throughout hospitals is nothing new to hospital staff, administrators, and infection preventionists. According to the Centers for Disease Control, 1.7 million people contract a healthcare-associated infection from a U.S. hospital every year, and with surgical site infections accounting for a troubling 22%, the importance of infection control in the healthcare environment is quickly becoming more and more paramount.
A healthcare-associated infection is any infection that is acquired by a patient visiting a healthcare facility. These could involve any organism that is associated with a sickness that is developed by being in a healthcare facility. One of the steps that can be taken to reduce the number of hospital-acquired infections in the United States is to make sure that the scrub garments are clean at the proper water temperature and with the proper detergents. Clean, quality garments are very important to the organization for image, as well as making sure that we are not transporting any type of contamination into the operating rooms or procedure areas.
In the midst of this current crisis, the staff and frontline warriors are working day in and day out to save lives. They need partners who are working to help protect them from transmitting or contracting any type of contamination within the hospital. With healthcare infections playing a major role in the U.S. and around the world, hospital groups are now looking to their trusted vendors for options. Many hospitals are currently using the Cintas scrub dispensing solution, and in response to COVID-19, many have expanded their scrub program to outfit employees in other departments. The Cintas scrub dispensing solution is designed to help promote infection control by providing convenient and hassle-free access to clean, quality garments.
One of the things that Cintas does is we provide uniforms for our customers. And in healthcare, those uniforms are scrubs. One of the biggest problems that we found in healthcare with scrubs is people could never get what they needed. And in order to get what they needed, you needed inventory control. And that's what our program does. So our equipment makes sure that whenever a user walks up to the machine, they always have what they need. Cintas has a proprietary wash process which makes sure that all the scrubs are hygienically cleaned and polybagged before they arrive at the customer. They remain in that poly bag and remain clean until the customer puts them on. The Cintas machine allows you to get up to 4 garments at one time, including a top, a bottom, and a jacket, all through one transaction, which means it's very streamlined, very efficient. We know who takes what, when they've taken it, when they return it, if they return it. I think the most important thing that clean scrubs makes a difference with is that patients don't have to worry that their providers are wearing dirty garments or garments that they've laundered at home ineffectively.
Recognizing the importance of hygiene, cleanliness, and infection control, the Cintas Healthcare Scrub Dispensing Service and process is designed to produce hygienically clean scrubs through our proprietary wash process. Not only is your team now prepped and ready to provide outstanding patient care, they no longer have to worry about taking soiled scrubs home with them at the end of their shift.
Our mission is to be recognized as an innovative and trusted business partner in the healthcare industry. A business partner that provides essentials products and solutions for our customers so they can focus on a world-class patient experience. Our team of healthcare professionals throughout US and Canada visit with our customers on a daily basis. They sit down with them, listen intently to find out what their business issues are. Then they go back to our facility, sit down with our operators to come up with creative business solutions that at the end of the day will help the healthcare businesses run their business efficiently and effectively at their facilities.
We're not machine sellers. We don't sell machines. We provide a program which manages the scrubs from the time that they're purchased, laundered, stocked in the machine, and empty. The customer doesn't have to worry about anything with their scrub program. We maintain the scrub program for them.
From beginning to end, the Cintas scrub dispensing solution is convenient and hassle-free. Help your team eliminate distractions by providing scrubs that are reliably delivered and easily accessible. And it all happens with a single swipe or tap of a hospital ID badge.
The scrub dispensing solution from Cintas has helped us by not having to worry, will we have the right garments in place for today's cases as well as the procedures that will be performed. We also no longer have to worry about, do we have the right size? The Cintas solution has provided us with accountability for our scrub program. Only those employees that are in the system will be afforded the opportunity to dispense and return scrubs to the machines.
You know, we don't have a team back at the corporate office focusing on bringing the innovation to the forefront. It comes from the field and it comes from our customers. We want to push boundaries at Cintas. We want to continue to find ways to innovate and increase efficiencies. A lot of times our customers sit down with us and give us ideas on that next best product or service to bring to the table. This might be our next best solution for our customers to help them get ready for the workday or help them run their business more effectively.
Most of us have seen medical workers out in public with scrubs, and I think we all wonder where they came from and if they're clean and what's on them. Patients and caregivers shouldn't have to worry about that. And by providing clean scrubs, that means there's one less thing that those folks have to worry about when they walk into a hospital.
The healthcare industry demands efficiency and cleanliness and the lasting professional image of being prepared. To help promote infection prevention and improve staff satisfaction by eliminating home laundry, your team is now prepped and ready every day. Learn more today about Cintas, clean professional scrubs, always available.
Today's advances give us hope for a healthier tomorrow. Thank you for joining us. I'm Dennis Quaid.